Thank you for your interest in joining our incredible community at Himac Attachments. As a growing family business, our vision is to ensure that every customer and every employee feels valued. And we couldn't think of anyone better to back that up than some of your potential co-workers.
I started with Himac in 2017 as a receptionist. I am now in operational administration. The best part about working with Himac is the support you receive from colleagues and management, both inside and outside of working hours. The question you get asked a lot is, what can I do to help you succeed in your role, and what can I do to help you succeed in your personal goals? I am reminded every day that I am appreciated, my input is important, and that I'm an integral part of my team.
When the opportunity to join Himac's marketing team first came up, I wasn't sure there'd be enough work for a graphic designer. But now 2 years on, I can definitely see I was required, and it's great to see how the work I do has helped the business grow. Working alongside some very skilled people in the marketing team really gives me drive to enhance my skills and bring more to my role.
The best thing about working at Himac is the team culture. Everybody is working towards the same goal, and you're really made to feel like a name and not a number.
I started on a welding bench, as I am a welder by trade. Done 6.5 years of it at my previous employer. Decided to move here as I heard it was a great place to work. 6 months in, Himac come up with the opportunity for someone to start on the laser and the CNC. So I put my hand up, and Himac gave that opportunity for me to gain that knowledge, that expertise, and have been more than helpful, more than supportive in giving me a lot of opportunities into this CNC industries in Himac.
My initial perception of Himac prior to coming here was just an extremely friendly, professional team, bunch of great people, and since coming here that's just been completely reinforced. Really glad to be here working with fantastic people. Personally, I value civility and courtesy, and that's exactly what you get here. These guys are just amazing. Just the level of support and the level of decency, and it's more, to them it seems as though it's more about what they can give to you rather than what they can take from you. They're just a really genuine, nice people, good, honest, decent people.
If being part of a workplace built around strong values and collaboration sounds like the right fit for you, then we can't wait for you to be part of the future of Himac Attachments.